Do you want to increase low DC voltage to a higher voltage using just a few simple components? In this video, I will show you a homemade DC to DC boost converter circuit using a MOSFET, diode, capacitor, and an inductor coil. Let's start. For this boost converter project, I used only basic components: one Z44N MOSFET, one 1N4007 diode, one 1000 microfarad 50-volt capacitor, and an inductor coil taken from a scrap circuit board. Understanding MOSFET pins. First, understand the MOSFET pin connections. On the Z44N MOSFET, the left pin is the gate, the middle pin is the drain, and the right pin is the source. Circuit connections. Now let's connect the circuit step by step. The inductor coil is connected between the power supply and the MOSFET drain. The diode is connected from the MOSFET drain to the output capacitor, with the cathode connected to the capacitor positive. The 1000 microfarad capacitor is connected at the output to store the boosted voltage and reduce ripple. The MOSFET source is connected to the ground or negative terminal of the power supply. The gate of the MOSFET is driven with switching pulses, which turns the MOSFET on and off very fast. In this simple demo, the MOSFET is driven to switch rapidly, creating the boost effect. How boost converter works. This circuit works on the principle of energy storage in the inductor. When the MOSFET turns on, current flows through the inductor and energy is stored in the coil. When the MOSFET turns off, the inductor releases its stored energy and the voltage increases. The diode prevents the capacitor from discharging back into the MOSFET, and the capacitor stores the boosted DC voltage. This is how a low input voltage can be converted into a higher output voltage. Testing the circuit. I connected a DC power supply to the input and measured the output voltage with a multimeter. Important safety tip. Be careful. The output voltage can become very high. Always use a capacitor with a higher voltage rating and avoid touching the circuit while powered. You can see the output voltage is higher than the input voltage, which confirms the boost converter is working. If you like this simple boost converter project, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Comment below if you want a circuit diagram or PCB layout. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next electronics project.